In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best cordless nail guns available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the cordless nail guns mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Cordless 2-in-1 Nailer/Stapler Gun, ideal for DIYers and pros. This cordless 2-in-1 nailer/stapler is tough enough for commercial use. It fires 60 nails/min in single mode or 100 nails/min in continuous mode. Durable and customizable, it's available as body only or with battery. Compatible with Makita Heimerdinger 18V batteries, this tool delivers consistent performance without cords. Fast, precise, and easy to use, get serious nailing power at 65% off. A must-have for home improvements and job sites. Number 4, ONEVAN 1022J Cordless Nailer/Stapler. The ONEVAN 1022J Cordless Nailer/Stapler is a solid pick for woodworking, framing, and light construction tasks. Designed for portability and power, it works seamlessly with Makita 18V batteries. Strong build quality and cordless operation make it great for both amateurs and pros. It's easy to use, delivers fast firing, and comes at a fantastic price, 53% off. Whether for furniture work or structural repairs, this tool gets the job done reliably and efficiently. Number 3, LD40 Pneumatic Concrete Cordless Nailer. The LD40 Pneumatic is built for tough jobs, nail into concrete, metal, and brick with ease. Its brushless motor boosts durability and power while the narrow barrel ensures precision in tight areas. No need for a clamping bracket, just direct mount and shoot. Ideal for commercial builders and serious DIYers, it's versatile for all kinds of construction work. Sturdy, efficient, and cord-free, it's the go-to nailer for demanding environments where accuracy and force matter most. Number 2, JBZ-40 Pneumatic Nail Gun. Power meets flexibility in the JBZ-40 Pneumatic Nail Gun. With 110 joules of force and adjustable depth control, it's built to handle a wide range of materials and tasks. Comes with 2 batteries, a backpack, manual, and multiple nozzles, universal, row clamp, magnetic, and pipe clamp. Whether you're working on wood, concrete, or steel, this tool is reliable and easy to maneuver. A top pick for pros looking for an all-in-one solution at 50% off. Durable and versatile. Number 1, Cordless 18-Gauge Nail Gun Stapler. Tailored for renovation crews and serious users, this cordless nailer/stapler fires 18-gauge nails with power and safety. Features LED lights for dark spaces, dual trigger contact activation, and an internal air compressor for high force. It's body only and works with Makita 18V batteries, making it perfect if you already own compatible tools. Safe, reliable, and ready for heavy-duty use, this nailer is all about control, performance, and pro-level results at 30% off.